In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record invoice payments in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or managing finances for a larger organization, staying on top of your invoice payments is essential for maintaining accurate records and ensuring your cash flow stays healthy. QuickBooks Online makes this process simple and efficient, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to record payments step by step. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive into the process. First, open QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on Sales. This will bring up all the sales-related information for your business. From there, go to the Invoices tab. This is where you'll find a list of all the invoices you've created. Next, locate the specific invoice you want to record a payment for. You can do this by scrolling through the list, or, if you have many invoices, use the search box or filters to narrow it down. Once you've found the correct invoice, look at the row it's listed in and click on the Receive Payment option. This will open a new screen for entering the payment details. Now, select the payment method. QuickBooks Online offers a variety of options to choose from, including cash, check, bank transfer, or card. Pick the one that matches how the payment was received. If the payment includes a reference number, like a check number or a transaction confirmation code, you can enter that in the designated reference number field. While this step is optional, it's always a good idea to include it for future reference. Next, you'll need to choose the account where the payment will be deposited. This could be something like undeposited funds or a specific bank account you've linked to QuickBooks Online. Be sure to select the correct account to keep your records accurate. After that, set the payment date. This should match the date the money was actually received. Ensuring the correct date is entered will help maintain consistency in your records. Now, take a moment to verify the payment amount. If the customer has paid the invoice in full, double-check that the full balance is entered. If it's a partial payment, adjust the amount to reflect what was actually received. This step is important for keeping your records accurate and avoiding discrepancies later. If you need to add any additional context, such as a note about who made the payment or what the payment was for, you can include that in the memo field. Adding memos can be helpful for tracking details, especially if there's ever a need to revisit the transaction. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. QuickBooks Online will process the payment and update the invoice status automatically. Lastly, confirm that the invoice status has been updated to paid or partially paid, depending on the amount received. Also, make sure the deposit is reflected in the account you selected earlier. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully recorded an invoice payment in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.